Okay, don't go away. You look young and strong. Okay, here we are. Our usual setup. Okay, it's a 5-to-1. We've got the 2 snatch straps there. We actually got the ground anchor in. Okay. Now, don't step over the rope. Walk around. Safety factor. Yeah, it's not under tension at the moment, but it's a good habit to get into.
Yes.
Okay, this man here is allergic to kryptonite. Now, pick up the rope and get a good purchase on it. Okay, you in neutral? Handbrake off. Okay, now take it off the tag, the stake. All right, now grab on and walk back. Okay, brake off, neutral off. Away you go. Come on, come on. Heave! 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 Hey, stop revving. Heave! All right, we get a second person on. A lot easier. Okay, it's moving. Okay. Heave back. Heave back. Heave back. And you can do it on yourself if you really had to, but a foot at a time and rest, have a heart attack, and then go. Stop. Handbrake. They're in about 60 centimeters.
600 million, yeah.
Yeah, they're 90 centimeters long each, and it's a 5-meter drag chain. And there you go, with a tree trunk protector, Dyneema rope, and 4 snatch rings. And it worked a charm on at least a 2-ton vehicle. So it worked, people, in real conditions in the sand.
Are you vlogging?
Vlogging, yes. And this is how easy it is to pack up. This gentleman has never done it before, and just wiggle them around, and out they come. There you go. Beautiful. Do that again, rinse, repeat, and away we go. Easy. And it held, did a great job.